Gratitude. That's the mood of the day. Before we get things rocking, I wanted to say what's good YouTube. It's your girl Lanay, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is my empty apartment tour. Oh my god, like y'all, I'm moving out of a college apartment into a solo apartment. Like, what? This is crazy. Like, oh my god, this is amazing. Thank you, God. Blessings. Thank you to my parents. Thank you to everybody. Thank you to, just thank you. Thankful. That's gratitude. That's the mood of the day. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell so you get notified every single time your girl drops a new video. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, first things first, whenever you first go in, there's two closets to like the right, utility closet, and then this other closet, a coat closet that I'm personally gonna use for like my trash can, brooms, and things like that, and extra little things for the kitchen in there. I feel like it would help with like not having a trash can just right in your face as soon as you walk in the door. Next, let's get into this beautiful kitchen. I literally love everything about it. Between the backsplash, to the countertops, to the stove and the fridge, everything is so nice. The fridge and the stove and the microwave is such an upgrade from my previous place. I just overall love the modern feel of this kitchen. I think one of my favorite things besides all of the appliances in this kitchen is the cabinet space. There's so much space in this kitchen. Like, I literally don't know what to do with myself. I love the cabinet colors. I love the white and the gray. And I also love the soft close feature on all of the cabinets. They don't have it on the drawers, but the cabinets are enough for me, and I love it so much. Okay, so let's get into this island. I have a dishwasher that I definitely will be using this year. And the sink is what I also think gives it a modern feel. This sink is literally huge. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's so big. And I love just the faucet itself. I love the feature that I can flip it to whatever pressure I really want. And the lighting above the island is really cool. Again, it gives it a modern feel, and they really light up the place. Okay, now on to the living room. I love the vinyl flooring and everything. There's so many plugs in this living room. I love that about it. That way I can put my TV and everything everywhere, and whenever I have guests, everybody has somewhere to plug up their devices. Okay, so the next two things I'm gonna show you quick. The back patio. I'm not gonna show you guys the view for safety purposes, you know, some weirdos out there, but here is the laundry room. I have a washer and dryer. On top is the dryer, bottom is the washer. They're really cute, digital, and I love them because they sing whenever they're done. Here is my soon-to-be sanctuary. I can't wait to customize my room. It's so cute. Check out the lines on the rug. Girl, clean this thing up, but it's so cute. I actually really like the color of the carpet. And I love the fact that I have a remote to my fan in my life. Like, that's so cool to me. Okay, so let's get into the bathroom. The countertop is the same as it is in the kitchen. Really cute, very sleek. Love this speckled design. The faucet is very pretty, and the mirror is a black lined mirror. I really like it because it gives it like a sleek look, and I really wanted to incorporate black in my bathroom decor anyway. The shower curtain rod is curved, which I really like. And this cabinet space, like the linen closet space, is open, but I think it'll be a great opportunity to decorate. Okay, so last but not least, the closet area. And this closet is literally massive compared to my last closet, the closet at my old place. So I am excited to fill this thing up with all of my clothes. It'll give me a chance to just lay out my clothes in my closet and not have them like everywhere. Hopefully this will help me keep things organized. So far, I really like this space. I think it's really pretty, really cute. I don't know if my lighting looks crazy in this bathroom. I have no clue, but I hope it's not too bad. I think it's really nice. I really like this space. It's super cute, and I love everything about it. I don't know if it's because it's brand new or what, but I love it so much. I could really get used to being here for real. They left me, the community management left me some goodies. I'll show y'all. They got me a mug with like candy in it, and then another sip mug like this with a free guest pass to Orange Therapy, our local Orange Therapy, and then a Papa John's free pizza and a bracelet. I think it's so cute that it came in this like box. Came in like a Papa John's bracelet, free pizza, and like coupons and stuff like that, and then a slip saying like hiring today, that they're hiring. And then they gave me this cute little bag, this little tote bag, this canvas tote bag. I think it's so cute, which I was just telling my sister I wanted a canvas tote bag, but it has like little cup holders in the inside. How cute is that? And it has the like logo of the apartment complex I stay in on it. Yeah, all of this stuff is so cute. And then they left me a card that says welcome home. It says Destiny, we are so excited. I think the fan just came on, the air just came on, so excuse that. Welcome home, Destiny. We are so excited for you to be joining our community. We hope to help you feel at home in your home away from home. Natalia. That's so cute. That's my community manager's name, and I freaking love it. I'm looking around. This is my first look at the apartment, so I'm showing y'all like my very first look, and I'm already like envisioning where I'm putting certain stuff, like my Instapod is going up there, this going right there. But I love it, and I love how many plugs are in the wall. I don't know if I said it in the tour portion, but it's so stinking cute. Like, what? So cute. How you doing? But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think I showed you guys around enough video. Y'all see my little tripod peeking at y'all in the back? Yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of me and you want to see how I furnished this place. You want to see the fully furnished apartment tour. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. If you have some ideas of how I should decorate this place and keep this place organized, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm just so excited, so blessed, so thankful. I thank you so much for tuning into the video. Anyway, it's your girl Destiny Lanay, and I hope this video right today. Peace.